Hey everybody, it's Christina from Tangy Soul Line Dancing, coming to bring you another instructional. This is Louisiana Lady, choreographed by yours truly and my daughter Janae Hanible. This is the Quartet remix version. I'm going to turn my back to you. This is a two-wall dance, front and back wall. But it might be easier for us to do it from side to side so that you can see the front and the back. I'm going to start off by showing you facing my back to you so that you can see my feet good. This dance starts on your right foot. It's a beginner dance. Starts on your right foot. You start with step right, left goes in, step left, in, out, in. Yes, let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step right, in, step left, in, out, in. Yes? You're going to take that in, out, in. Right foot that you have, and you're going to rock up on the right, and you're going to put that right foot behind you as far as you can and spin around. All right? And everything that you did on the front wall, you're going to do the same thing on the back wall. Remember, this is my right, but this is your right. All right? So on this wall, I would be doing a step in, step left, in, out, in. Rock up on the right. Put my right back as far as I can and spin around. Yes? Let's try that, both sides. I'm going to face to the side, so if you can, pop your phone up and let's face sideways. This is my right. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step right, in, step left. In, out, in. Rock up and turn around. Again, we step right, in, left. In, out, in. Upright and turn around. How you do? Not bad? All right, adding on. We're doing a lock step. A lock step, which is simply one, right, left, right, left. And rock for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to lock step backwards with your right foot. Right, left, left. Rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? Let's try those. Let's try that lock step part. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left. Rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. Right, left. Rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. How you do? All right, adding on, we're going to stomp this right foot. We're stomp, left, right, kick, stomp, left, right, kick. And when I bring that foot, that last kick, when I bring it down, I'm going to stomp and slide. Yes? Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, left, right, kick, stomp, left, right, kick, stomp, and slide. We're going to this wall to your left, quarter turn to your left. I'm doing a out, in. It's not really a paddle, but I'm working that right foot on the out, in on my turn. Out, in. Yes? Let's try that. 5, 6, from the stomping kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, left, right, kick, stomp, left, right, kick, stomp, and slide. Out, in. You do the same thing on this side wall. Yes? Stomp, left, right, kick, stomp, left, right, kick, stomp, and slide. Out, in. How you do? Let's take it from the top. Add all 3 parts from the top. Ready? And actually, let's turn to the side again. Let's turn to the side so that you can go from the front wall to the back wall. Yes? Let's try it. Right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step right, in, step left. In, rock up and turn around. Again is right, in, step left. In, rock right and turn around. Lock step. I got right, left, right. Rock, right, left. Go back on right, left. Rock, right, left. Let's stomp. Left, right, kick, left, left, right, kick, stomp, and slide. Out, in, stomp. Left, right, kick, stomp. Right, left, kick, stomp, and slide. Out, in, How you do? You should be at your back wall now, yes? End of the dance. After you do your out, in, you're going to do up and side. Roll back, dip, knee, 2 knees, knee, knee. Yes? Again, I'm doing kick up, kick out, roll back, knee, knee, up, out, and back, knee, knee. All right? It's the end of the dance, and then we do a cha, cha, cha. Turn to the back and left, right, left. Turn to the front. Somebody say whole dance. Let's do this up and side. You're kicking your foot. Kick up and side. Roll it back. Knee, knee, up and side, and roll it back. Knee, knee, cha, cha, cha. Turn to the back. Cha, cha, cha. Turn to the front. Then the dance starts all over again. You're on your back wall to do your step, in, out, in, step, in, out, in. Somebody say that's the whole dance. Whole dance, front and back wall. Let's do the whole dance. I'm gonna face the side again. Everybody face to your side. This is my right foot. Let's start from the right. Ready? Front wall, back wall. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step right, in, step left. In, out, in. Rock up and turn around. Again, right, in, step left. In, out, in. Rock up and turn around. Lock step is a right, left, right. Left, right, left. Rock, right, left, right, left. Lock step, right, left, right. Left, right, left. Let's rock. Right, left, right. Stomp your foot is stomp. Left, right, kick, stomp. Left, right, kick, stomp, and slide. Out, in, stomp. Left, right, kick, stomp. Left, right, kick, stomp, and slide. Out, in, up, side, back. Knee, knee, up, side, and take it back. Knee, knee, cha, cha, cha. Turn to the back, cha, cha, cha. Turn to the front. Somebody say whole dance. You start all over again with the slide. In, step left. In, out, in. Yes? Let's try to some music. That's the whole line dance. This is Louisiana.